Okay guys, today we're gonna go back into the end and try and kill the Reaper. And guys, I've added music because people comment. People have been messaging me in chat and commenting, so I had to. Hello, wow. Come on, guys. Oh, didn't get it. But and guys, soon I'll be doing live streams, but I'll be in a few, like a month or maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Bye. It's always like having strength pots on me. I'll turn it down a bit. Back to. Oh god, I'm gonna try to steal this off him. Come on! Oh, now I got it. Today I'm gonna try to kill it. Steal the stuff when they die. Oh god. Well, I got this stuff at least, but it's crap. Okay guys, so leave a comment down below and say, can I join your faction? I'll invite you to Psycho. Because I'm gonna make a hobby base soon. Oh god, maybe my eyes are right there. I'm just gonna open the vault crew and then end the video, guys. I'm gonna make this a long video because every other video's been like 3 minutes, so I'm gonna make it long. And guys, I'm giving away a cow spawner and plush rank soon, so you could looking for them. And I don't know if I'm keeping my god sword, but what's on next? Oh. I like this one. Oh, I never got it. It's up to people are here. Come on, I need to get this kill in. I'm gonna make a new base, a faction base, but dun, dun. Guys, that's all we have time for today.